Operations for us, I guess there is one part of that, what I was mentioning about being competitive and resilient. So it's a lot about trying to realize efficiency gains, trying to empower our employees to do more quality with, for example, automation. I was saying bringing the machine as an ally to the person. We have created a lot of automation that has helped us to actually reduce time on dealing with repetitive type of tasks and becoming more efficient in that way. And as you become efficient, you are also more resilient because, for example, in this pandemic, when we were missing people, we actually could cross skill, and actually some people were able to be flexible and cover in other teams because their work wasn't taking that much time as it used to when in the office. So the idea is really about continuous improvement. Is about, in a way, workflow automation. We look at the processes, we look at the workflows, and we see in which areas can we still automate, in which areas can we become more efficient in order to become, in a way, cut costs, but also be able to be more flexible to whenever the growth will come, cope with bigger volumes. And that's why I say again, resilience and competitiveness goes hand in hand. Yeah. In difficult times, we can be flexible and adapt. In growth time, we will be able to actually cope with the bigger volumes. And then the other side, I guess, is also about the digital integration. I guess that's another point I want, because we're talking about digital strategy. I think a key element is really working with either partners that are end-to-end digitally integrate. In that sense, for example, Oracle is a good example. The upgrade I was mentioning that we did last year is about not just a digital add-on, and it's not about bringing new add-ons, but it's really about upgrading to a version that is all integrating from the front experience of the client interacting with the apps and the internet offering, to the back end of the processes that are automated and are much more efficient. So if you integrate digitally all the end-to-end front to back kind of process, then you have that competitiveness, and that's the digital strategy that we're looking. And therefore also the API type of approach is important in our digital strategy, because that allowed us to integrate digitally. And if we see the API as a glue between the different kind of apps and even partners that we have, because it's an ecosystem, then we can really think about integration rather than anything else.